Hello guys, I'm working on the project and the name of the project is Player Performance Prediction in ODI Cricket using Machine Learning Algorithm under the guidance of Harshita ma'am. This is the abstracts and I'm working on the team management. This is very helpful for team management, coach and captain for selecting the player on the basis of the average score, inning and total score and hundreds and what is the wicket, how many wickets, and the algorithm which one are used in this project is the random forest algorithm and SVM and decision tree. This is the table content. Architecture diagram are used in this system. Use case diagram, ER diagram, activity diagram, random forest algorithm, and system requirement and implementation. Problem of the statement of this project is taking input with the help of some filter made with the turn produce ranking prediction set of solution, and suppose there is a vast amount of data still hasn't been and meaningful information problem take tackle the project and provide meaningful information to coach and players. The data analytics system used in sport and to update with machine learning technique and implementation is not efficient in terms of result. Novelty of the cricket predictive result based on the short analysis has been built before. Particular variable and machine learning methods are being used and matched to produce higher predictive percentage. Cricket is a game where a modern, static and easily readable. The coach hence the system will only improve team and player to further understand how they will play and interact. This is the architecture diagram. This is the ER diagram, use case diagram, activity diagram. First we are using the data prediction database, then we have to collect the data from the database, then collect the data player, particularly over and batting data and bowling data, then we have to train the data, then implement the classifier, then predict and run rate and bowling. Why we are using random forest? Random forest is the very build most accurate prediction model from from bowling and batting in all cases. So that's why I'm using the random forest algorithm, and it is best in compare than naive basis. So this prediction came out 92% and 90% after the training the data. This is the random forest simplified. This is in the form of tree series and tree. Then we have to take a classifier. There are three classifiers. Then we have to predict the most accurate data of the. Then we have to select majority voting. Then we have to do majority, from the majority we have to get the final class. This is the requirement, hardware requirement and software requirement. And in hardware requirement, I'm using Mac OS, RAM 8 GB and type system size 64-bit OS operating system and 64-bit processor. Software requirement is basically I'm using Python language and platform using Anaconda. In Anaconda, I'm using Jupyter Notebook. It is very reliable and very easy to work on this platform. So in uses include data cleaning and data cleaning transformation, numerical simulation, statistical modeling, and machine learning and data visualization. These are the sorts snaps of outputs. This is conclusion work, future work. So in the future I'm thinking about on the basis of player. Player accuracy or player health management and what is the defaults and improve in accuracies, and carried out the format game test cricket and 2020. So this is the Anaconda. I'm launching Jupyter. data sheet here. This is the data of batsman data 150 data, and this is the bowling data 221 data, around 221 data, and this is the like 80% is completed. This is the selecting data 10 data, bowler, then import MATLAB. This is the output, over, draw, run rate, runs, wicket, efficiency. This is the statics. This is the data which one I took from the file, data from bowling data. This is the training set, random 7 training, then the player, each player details, what enter the player details, then have to be accuracy, print round prediction 63%. This is the data output, bowler, this is the bowler output, bowler data, then this is the output. Player, see, player, country, career, match, innings, no ball, run, highest score, highest average. This is the matches in average basis, and remaining I am working on. That's it. Thank you.